Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fateh and our today's topic is about IoT means Internet of Things. Basically, the Internet of Things IoT refers to the network of physical devices, vehicles, buildings, and other items that are embedded with sensors, software, and connectivity, allowing them to collect and exchange data. Here are some key aspects of IoT. IoT component devices, sensors, actuators, cameras, and etc. Connectivity like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular, and etc. Data protection, processing, cloud edge for computing. Application like smart home, industrial automation, and etc. IoT Internet of Things applications. Smart home automation, security, and energy management. Industrial automation, predictive maintenance, quality control, and supply chain management. Wearables, fitness trackers, smartwatches, health monitors. Transportation, connected car, autonomous vehicle, traffic management. Healthcare, telemedicine, patient monitoring, medical healthcare, medical device integration. IoT benefits, increased efficiency, improved productivity, enhanced decision making, new business models, improved quality of life. IoT challenges, security, data protection, device authentication, interoperability, device communication and data exchange, scalability, handling large amount of data devices, privacy, data collection, usage and sharing, regulatory compliance, and many more. IoT benefits, increased efficiency. Now I'm going to discussing IoT technology, RFID, radio frequency identification, NFC, near field communication, Bluetooth low energy BLE, Zigbee, LoRaWAN, long range wide area network. Here are some additional IoT related topics. Here are IoT Internet of Things related topic which include COAP, Constrained Application Protocol, MQTT, Message Queuing Telemetry Transport, HTTP2, Hypertext Transfer Protocol to LWM2M, Lightweight Machine to Machine, DDS, Data Distribution Service, IoT Security Measures, Encryption, Authentication and Access Control, Intrusion Detection, Secure IoT Analytics, Data Mining, Predictive Analytics, Real-Time Analytics, Machine Learning ML and Edge Analytics, IoT Application in Industries, Agriculture, Precision Farming and Livestock Monitoring, Energy and Smart Grids and Energy Management, Manufacturing, Predictive Maintenance and Quality Control, Retail, Smart Shelves and Inventory Management, Transportation, Logistics, Traffic Management. IoT Trends. IoT trends include edge computing, artificial intelligence, AI, 5G networks, blockchain, digital twin. IoT challenges, in industry, healthcare, finance, government, transportation, and manufacturing. Thank you.